India logged 28,204 new coronavirus infections, the lowest in 147 days, taking the total tally of cases to 3,19,98,158, while the active cases fell to 3,88,508, the lowest in 139 days, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Tuesday. The national COVID-19 recovery rate has increased to 97.45%, which is the highest ever recovery rate achieved, the ministry said. Nungleipan Mahananda, President Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee and intending candidate of Uripok AC, installed street lamps at Rims Road, Nagampal to reduce vehicle theft and road mishaps, especially at night. The IPS Association Manipur chapter held a condolence meeting yesterday in the office of DGP Manipur, during which a 1-minute silence was observed in honor of Dr. Soivam Ibomcha Singh, IPS retired, who passed away on August 8, 2021. On his demise, he was remembered for the contributions he made to the society and his various achievements in the field of literature and sports. The association mourned his untimely demise and conveyed their heartfelt condolences to the bereaved family. A tree plantation program was organized at Yaralpad, Chingmang, Imphal East as part of the activities under Jal Shakti Abhiyan Catch the Rain campaign taken up by DFO, Central Forest Division. The India Meteorological Department IMD on Monday said fairly widespread to widespread rains are very likely over many parts of North and Northeast India, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim during the next 5 days. It said a cyclonic circulation lies over eastern Uttar Pradesh and extends up to the mid-tropospheric levels. Under the influence of these systems, the IMD said fairly widespread to widespread rainfall activity with isolated heavy to very heavy falls is very likely over the northeast and sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim during the next 5 days. One CRPF trooper was injured on Tuesday when militants attacked a security forces party in Kashmir's Shopian district. According to the police, the attack took place in Zainapura village. One CRPF Jawan identified as Constable Ajay Kumar of the 178 Battalion was injured in this attack. He has been shifted to hospital for treatment. The area was cordoned off for searches, the police added. Searches continued on Tuesday to locate the 2 pilots missing after the helicopter crash in Ranjit Sagar Dam in Jammu and Kashmir's Kathua district. Expertise and equipment of Army, Navy, IAF, NDRF, SDRF, NGOs, state police, dam authority, and private firms from all over the country have also been put into action. 2 residents of Karnataka's Kodagu district have launched an online petition seeking a change in the name of Rajiv Gandhi National Park in Nagarahole. Petitioners Navin Madappa and Vinay Kaipanda have taken the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Prime Minister's Office, Union Forest Minister, and Musuru MP Pratap Simha in their plea and suggested that the national park be renamed after Field Marshal K.M. Karyappa. The Taliban on Monday took control of another provincial capital in Afghanistan, an official said. The insurgents pressing on with their relentless offensive as American and NATO forces finalized their pullout from the war-torn country. The city of Saripul joins 3 other provincial capitals now fully under Taliban control: Zaran, the capital of Western Nimroz province, the city of Sibirgan, the capital of Northern Zaujan province, and Telekan, the capital of another northern province with the same name.